Hey everyone, what's up? This is Tech by Dude, and welcome to my second full-length video. Today we're diving into something super practical, a smart budgeting and expense tracker powered with AI tips. Sounds fancy? Don't worry, we're keeping it simple and hands-on. So I started this journey with the GOAT, ChatGPT. Typed in smart budgeting and expense tracker with AI tips. Hit enter, and boom. ChatGPT gives me a full breakdown. Features, layout, naming suggestions, even budgeting logic. I copied the whole thing, yep, we're reusing that genius, and sent it straight into a few AI builders. First stop, Firebase Studios. I paste the prompt, hit enter, and it immediately starts building the blueprint. Simple, fast, efficient. Let's see what it cooks up. Then I drop the same prompt into lovable.dev, pasted, enter. Let it process. And finally, one more tool, View by Vercel. This one's underrated for front-end builds. Same drill, paste, enter. Let I work its magic. Now we let all three generate and circle back to see what each one delivered. All right, back to Firebase Studio. The blueprint's ready and surprisingly decent. We're not changing anything for now. One thing I noticed, ChatGPT called it FinGenius, with an AIX admin layer. But Firebase? Nah. It just ignored that and went with its own name. Penny Pencer AI, which sounds like, I don't know, a budgeting bot from a cartoon? But hey, we roll with it. Let's test the functionality. Clicked Add Expense, typed coffee with friends, 250 Indian rupees. Category Food. Hit Add, nice pop-up confirmation. Smooth. But nothing major changed. Probably because 250 is too small to trigger anything visual. So I upped the budget, 25,000. New entry, shopping. Description, TV. Hit add. Now this is interesting. It instantly updates the budget. Minus 33 kilometri. Circular bar graph adjusts to. Minimal, yet super clear and kinda stylish. And it's got saving goals listed below. Trip, new laptop, very cool. Plus, an AI financial tips section at the bottom. Only downside? You need a Gemini API key to activate it, but you can get that free from Google AI Studio. Overall, pretty satisfied with Firebase. Everything worked. Clean UX, decent logic, even chat support built in. Solid performance. Now let's jump to lovable.dev. At first glance, the homepage looks neat. Shows current balance, monthly income, expenses, saving goals, all the basics. I really like how it uses colors. Green for income, red for expenses, everything in a plus-minus format. Visually pleasing. Plenty of categories. Transportation, food, entertainment, you name it. But that Add Expense button? It's lit, but dead. Doesn't do anything. Settings button. Same story. I even tried the point of view button. Still no response. So we head over to the View tab. Here it shows blocks like total balance, monthly expense, saving rate, and income. But check this. It says my income is 75,000 and expenses are 42,000. But saving rate? 60%. Math ain't mathing here. Someone comment below and explain. Scrolled down and found a budget overview. Guess what? Already saying over budget by 200. How? I haven't added anything legit yet. Tried adding again. Typed in random stuff. It shows scan receipt and upload receipt. Sounds cool, but again, no button works. I'm literally stuck on the form. So yeah, first impression, not great. Looks decent, but if nothing functions, it's a big L. Feels more like a concept than a finished product. Now let's wrap this thing up. The challenge here was simple. Give all tools the same prompt, no tweaks, no edits. And see what they generate right out the gate. And the winner? Firebase Studio 2.0. Why? Working UI real-time updates, smart bar graph savings goals, AI financial tips, chatbot with Gemini API support. No other tool delivered all that in one go. So now it's your turn. What did you think of these AI-generated budgeting tools? Should I build more stuff like this in future videos? Or maybe switch it up? Try out AI-generated games, websites, or even meme generators. Drop your ideas in the comments. I'll pick one and turn it into my next build. This is Tech by Dude, signing off till the next crazy AI creation. Peace, stay curious, and don't let your budget roast you.